In this professional development module presentation, we will be discussing screencasting and gaming within the educational field and classroom environments. In this introduction, we have definitions of instructional design, types of screencasting, benefits of screencasting, introduction and use of Screencast-O-Matic, gaming within instructional design, benefits of gaming, and common games used within the classroom environment, followed by our conclusions. The definition of instructional design goes as follows. Instructional design is a systematic development of instructional specifications using learning and instructional theory to ensure the quality of instruction. It is the entire process of analysis of learning needs and goals and the development of a delivery system to meet those needs. It includes development of instructional materials and activities and throughout an evaluation of all instruction and learner activities. This is Kurt, 2017. Screencasting is common within the instructional design world and common within classrooms. Screencasting allows for a video recording of a lesson or in order to provide a virtual lesson. This professional development module is being recorded using Screencast-O-Matic and allows for me to present this presentation to you. Screencasting software provides pre-recorded lessons for educators and presents their presentations in video format. Some benefits of screencasting are pre-recording capabilities. They allow for digital upload straight to online platforms such as YouTube and Google Classroom. It gives educators the ability to record without another device such as another microphone or another webcam. It provides the screen and the webcam used already installed into their device. Screencasting allows for high quality recording. It commonly picks up background noise as well. And most screen recording softwares are free. There are some premium screencasting softwares that cost more money or outside of the trial-based screen recordings, such as Screencastify has a 5-minute limit and Screencast-O-Matic has a 15-minute record limit. Wagner states, with a free plan, teachers and students can record their screen or use the webcam, zoom in, trim recordings, and add captions. Features like password protection and the ability to share to Google Classroom make it especially classroom friendly. This is in order to allow for teachers to have the best softwares available for their classrooms and for their learners. And here's an introduction of screencasting softwares. One screencasting software in particular, Screencast-O-Matic, works within 15-minute intervals. As I previously stated, Screencastify only allows for 5-minute intervals. Screencast-O-Matic is one of the longer videos that is free. It has free downloads and installation onto personal devices such as iPads, tablets, and computers or laptops. It has easy recording ability and upload abilities straight to online platforms. Let's go into gaming within instructional design. Gaming is a way for students to learn in an interactive, fun environment and takes off the pressure of the lesson in the mind and in the brain. It just allows for students to take a break and continue to learn while having fun. Students are given the opportunities to answer questions and give feedback from their teachers and the software in order to improve their learning experiences. Games like Kahoot provide immediate responses and allow for the students to see if they got their answers correct or if they got them wrong, and this allows them to go back and figure out what they did wrong in order to answer the question. Also in Kahoot, it provides feedback for the educator to see all the students' difficulties and questions that were hard for them. Some benefits of gaming in the classroom are they provide interactive learning environments, which helps get the students engaged into the materials, and this allows for healthy competitions and interactions between peers. Game playing encourages collaboration, peer validation, and a different kind of teamwork that is often found in traditional group projects. Teachers are able to prompt more introverted students to speak up and to connect with students who are otherwise difficult to engage. Gaming allows for students to break out of their comfort zones, and it breaks barriers between communication within the classroom. It allows for students to open up and interact with their peers, especially games like Quizlet Live and Kahoot. They prompt competition and have their students engage into the materials and lessons so that they can compete against their peers and talk to their peers about the answers and results of the game. Some common gaming software used within classrooms are Kahoot, Jeopardy, which is also a material that allows for collaboration and competition between teams, Quizlet Live, and Minecraft EDU. Bringing in students as designers can make the process even more inclusive. Working in teams can create a learning environment in which solutions emerge. When providing these learning environments that have team building exercises and competitions, it allows for students to have communication, to work between each other and engage with their fellow peers in order to solve mysteries that they wouldn't be able to on their own. It allows for them to use their cognitive abilities to think out problems and resolve the problems with their peers. Concluding, both screencasting and gaming provide excellent resources for educators to advance their classrooms and enhance their students' learning environments. By implementing new technologies within the classroom, we are bringing forth new advancements in learning into the educational field. Both screencasting and gaming are both materials that can be used within the classroom that enhance the educator's ability to address the materials that they need to address within the classroom. They give an outside perspective of the materials and give a fresh look for the students' eyes. And here are some references used within this presentation.